Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to allow displaying tagged photos on your Facebook profile using the Facebook app on your PC. If your friends tag you in photos but they're not showing up on your timeline, this quick setting will fix that easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it loads, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a small menu with several options. Here, you'll want to choose Settings and Privacy. When the drop-down expands, click on Settings. This will take you to your main Facebook settings page where you can control everything about your profile, privacy, and tagging preferences. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Profile and Tagging. This is the section where you can manage how people interact with your profile, including posts, tags, and what appears on your timeline. Now, look for the option that says who can see what others post on your profile. This is the key setting that controls whether tagged photos and posts appear visible to others on your timeline. Next to that option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to open the list of visibility options. You'll notice several choices like Only Me, Friends, and Everyone. To make your tagged photos visible to everyone who visits your profile, choose Everyone. Once you select that, click Done to save your changes. Facebook will update your settings immediately, and now any tagged photo will appear on your profile for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully allowed tagged photos to be displayed on your Facebook profile. This setting is great if you want friends, followers, or the public to see the moments you've been tagged in without needing to adjust each post manually. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe for more quick Facebook tutorials just like this one.